It's going. There it goes.
Greetings and welcome to another episode of Backstage Pass. It's very early in the morning and I have to be up at the Skirball Sessions, which is this think tank of real estate minds that get together every month, several hundred people. We swap ideas. It's in an auditorium and they have killer speakers and they keep asking me to go back, so I'm very, very flattered on that.
Oh.
So I'm gonna try and zip up there, do my bit, and then get out before the roads get too chaotic, because Los Angeles drivers in the rain,
Ganz neue Herausforderungen.
no bueno.
So I'm here at the Skirball Centre. This is a real great place to speak. I can't wait to go on stage. I'm going to be talking about movie making today with iMovie. It is going to be pissing down any second. Everybody's arriving right now. There he is. The governor.
You ready?
Ready, baby?
All right, let's go. You're up, man.
Stop playing now. Oh wow, look at that. So we're about to go here today. Steve Schul's event, Skirball. It's a pretty full house considering that it's pissing with rain. And I'm on first for once. Get mic'd up, get on the stage, and start blathering.
Peter, you want to come on up?
Yeah. All right, let's go. The Madman. So that's another Skirball Sessions over for a month. I'll be back next month. It was pretty great. I snuck out. Jeffrey was amazing.
The best thing about the Sacred Journey Retreat, which by the way, I think there's going to be a freaking waiting list.
It is absolutely peeing down in LA and the roads are becoming slippery and horrible. All the freeways are beginning to snarl up. This is just not fun.
I just wanted to see if you wanted to have lunch at Kiwami together.
Yes, please.
Otherwise, if you don't, then I'm going to order food right now because I'm starving.
Would you like me to pick you up?
Well, I would hope so because...
Oh, Cynthia, I love you so. Oh, Cynthia,
Anyway,
you're
how
awesome.
How
Huh?
far away are you?
I'm about 10 minutes, Cynthia.
Okay. I'll see you then. Goodbye.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know. Ooh, they have Ramuni.
Whatever that is. Sounds like a singer.
Thank you.
Here it comes. So the rain is really coming down. It looks like I need windscreen wipers on my glasses. In LA, we really don't do the rain too well. People look confused and and the driving here is pretty friggin' dreadful, I gotta be honest with you, in the rain.
Ganz neue Herausforderungen.
So it looks like the storm is really kicking in now. So we're gonna batten down the hatches and just get ready for this weekend.